Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Digital Banker, it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards 2026. My name is Angelique Teo, and it is an honor to be your host this evening as we celebrate the institutions, teams, and individuals redefining the future of transaction banking across the world. Tonight, we recognize excellence across one of the most strategically important segments of financial services, one that underpins global trade and increasingly serves as the digital infrastructure supporting the world's largest corporations. This year's assessment marks a significant milestone in the evolution of our global program. The 2026 awards attracted a record number of submissions from institutions spanning more than 20 markets worldwide. And what stands out is not scale alone, but a marked increase in both the quantitative rigor and the qualitative depth of what was submitted. Institutions are no longer simply digitizing individual products. They're fundamentally redesigning operating models, modernizing liquidity ecosystems, and delivering deeply integrated treasury solutions across increasingly complex global client networks. And this year's field was truly global. Submissions reached us from more than 20 markets across 5 regions, from the Middle East and Asia Pacific to Africa, Europe, and the Americas. We saw entries from the United Arab Emirates, the United States, the United Kingdom, South Africa, and across Asia Pacific from Malaysia, Thailand, and Pakistan to India, Hong Kong, and Australia. And once again, we're delighted to see Canada's leading banks represented in full force, marking their 3rd consecutive year of participation in the program. It is a reach that speaks to the truly international standing of these awards and to the growing strategic importance institutions everywhere place on independent benchmarking, innovation assessment, and evidence-based market positioning. Now, at the Digital Banker, the intelligence we gathered throughout this year's assessment points to 5 themes that really defined the 2026 submissions. First up, payments and collections. This was the single largest area of innovation this year as institutions raced to make domestic and cross-border payments faster, smarter, and genuinely real-time. Second, cash and liquidity management, the heart of corporate treasury, giving clients a single real-time view of their cash and the tools to put every dollar to work across borders and currencies. Third, API and open banking connectivity. Banks are embedding themselves directly into their clients' systems, connecting into ERP and treasury platforms, and at the edge, experimenting with new rails such as tokenized and stablecoin-based settlement. Fourth, digital platform innovation, a wave of new digital-first platforms from next-generation transaction banking portals to tokenized asset infrastructure, rebuilding the client experience from the ground up. And fifth, trade and supply chain finance, the continued digitization of documentary trade and supply chain finance, stripping out friction and unlocking working capital across global supply chains. And one common thread runs through nearly 90% of this year's submissions: data and artificial intelligence, powering forecasting, anomaly detection, and faster evidence-based decisions. Collectively, these developments really show that transaction banking is no longer simply an operational function. It has become a strategic growth engine for financial institutions and the multinational corporations they serve. The achievements recognized this evening are not determined through popularity or nomination alone. Every accolade presented tonight reflects evidence-based market positioning, assessed through the Digital Banker's proprietary evaluation framework, one that combines detailed qualitative analysis with robust quantitative assessment across innovation, execution, measurable outcomes, client impact, and long-term strategic differentiation, Now, it remains one of the industry's most comprehensive independent assessments of transaction banking excellence anywhere in the world. Before we begin this evening's presentations, just a few quick announcements. Firstly, tonight's ceremony is being broadcast live via LinkedIn, so colleagues and industry professionals around the world can join us in celebrating these achievements. Secondly, we warmly welcome acceptance speeches from all our winners, but to keep us on schedule, we kindly ask speakers to keep remarks concise, around about 1 or 2 minutes. Now, every acceptance speech tonight will be professionally recorded and shared with the respective honorees after the gala, so institutions can use the footage across their own communications and marketing channels. And with all that said and done, let's begin. We open this evening with the Digital Innovation Awards, and of this we have 8 awards, and we start off with the first 3. Now, the first award is for Best Digital Payments Initiative, Taiwan. The second award, though, falls under the Technology Awards category, but we are putting this together so that we can save a little bit of time as well for everybody. Now, this award is for outstanding use of technology in cash and liquidity management, also for Taiwan. The third award is for Best Digital Transformation Program, Taiwan. And we'd like to say congratulations to Bank Sinopac. We have its Digital Payment Service Department Vice President, Yvonne Wing, with us this evening.
Hi. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Yvonne. Next up, we have the award for Best Digital Transformation Program Canada. Congratulations to CIBC.
Hello, my name is Tammy Kilgannon, and I'm on the Enterprise Digital and AI Enablement team at CIBC. It's a privilege to accept this award for the Best Digital Transformation Program on behalf of CIBC. This recognition is for the launch of our Get Support tool on Knowledge Central, our internal knowledge database. It builds on the GenAI solution we introduced in 2024, which was also previously honored by the Digital Banker. The new feature transforms the way Frontline accesses support teams by encouraging the use of self-service solutions before the option of a callback is provided. This has empowered our teams to resolve common inquiries fast while increasing our operational resilience. Thank you to the Digital Banker team for this honor, and to the entire CIBC team who worked to deliver this transformational initiative for our frontline.
Next, we have the award for Best Digital Transformation Program by Avenda. And we'd like to say, for this, we actually have 2 recipients. The first recipient is Borica, and we'd like to welcome its CEO, Miroslav Vichev, to say a few words.
Nice to meet you. This was a very remarkable initiative for the whole country, and we put a lot of effort together with our partners and the whole market, central bank, ministries, and the whole banking community. So I'm really happy to share this initiative with you.
Thank you, and congratulations. Now, next recipient for the Best Digital Transformation Program by Avenda is OpenWay, and we have its strategy and CMO, Maria Vin, with us this evening. Maria?
Thank you, the Digital Banker, and thank you, Borica team. We are proud to receive this award alongside Borica and Bulgaria. Technology makes transformation possible, trust and partnership make it successful. Together, Borica and OpenWay delivered Bulgaria's Euro transition on the way for real-time payment platform, while keeping payment services running without interruption. This achievement shows what can be accomplished when resilient technology is matched by trust, shared responsibility, and a common goal. Thank you, Borica team, for your trust, and congratulations to everyone who made it possible. Thank you.
Congratulations, and thank you very much, Maria. Our next award is for Best Digital Treasury Management Initiative, and we'd like to say congratulations, Goldman Sachs Transaction Banking. We have its Head of European Product, Martin Runno, with us this evening.
Thank you very much, and thank you to the Digital Banker for this recognition on behalf of the entire Goldman Sachs Transaction Banking team. I'm very, very proud to accept this award for Best Digital Treasury Management Solution. You know, when we launched Transaction Banking Goldman Sachs, we set a mission to be the tech-forward bank partner for choice for our corporate treasurers, backed by 150 years of financial services expertise, but built on a modern cloud-native platform. So this recognition reflects our team's work to reimagine the end-to-end client onboarding experience, from dynamic digital onboarding and KYC refresh to self-service virtual account opening and an API self-service toolkit, underscoring our commitment to deliver digital-first solutions built to meet the needs of modern treasurers. We replaced manual workflow and static inputs with intelligent, rules-based workflows that adapt to each client in real time and enable self-service capabilities. So thank you again to the Digital Banker. Thanks to our entire team and obviously our clients who made all this possible.
Thank you, Martin, and congratulations once again. Next up, we have the award for Best Digital Treasury Management Initiative, LATAM. Congratulations to Scotiabank. And we have its Director de Productos de y Canales Cash Products and Channels, Jorge Giadala Alamo.
Hello. On behalf of Scotiabank, I would like to thank the Digital Banker for this recognition for Scotia Business DFM as the best digital treasury management initiative in Latin America. We are proud of this achievement because Scotia Business DFM helps our clients to manage their treasury operations in a simpler and smarter way, with real-time multi-bank visibility, automated reconciliation, and better financial insights. These awards reflect the dedication of our teams and our commitment to delivering innovative digital solutions to create the real value for our clients. This is just the beginning, and we are excited about what comes next for our clients on our digital journey. Thank you for this recognition.
Thank you very much, Jorge, and congratulations once again. Now, our next award is once again going to be received by two recipients. This is the award for Excellence in Digital Innovation for Europe, and we'd like to say congratulations to Borica and OpenWay. But first, we're going to hear from Borica, and we have its Chief Technology Development Officer, Marian Cholakov.
Hello. I'd like to thank for this award. It recognizes our efforts we put last year to implement the project for Euro adoption in Borica. It allows for our customers to be able to use Euro at ATM and POS terminals from the first minutes, from the midnight of 1st of January, first minutes of the Euro adoption. So thank you for the recognition. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations. Next, we'll welcome to the screen once again Maria Vin, Strategy and CMO from OpenWay.
I would like to say congratulations to the Borica team again and to Bulgaria for this shared achievement. And every payment, as we know, is a promise that people and business can pay whenever they need to. And Borica and OpenWay have shown that even the largest payment transformation can keep this promise. And powered by the Way for Real-Time Payment platform, the Euro transition kept payment services running from the very first minute. We hope this achievement inspires other markets and other players on their modernization journeys. At OpenWay, we are proud to help payment organizations transform with confidence, resilience, and zero disruption. And thank you again, Borica. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Thank you again, Maria. Next, we move on to the category of Service Provider Excellence. And there are 6 awards in this category. The first 2 awards will be going to one recipient. The first award is for Best Technology Solutions Provider to Transaction and Wholesale Banks. And this recipient has also received the Best Virtual Account Initiative by a vendor, which falls under the Transaction Banking Service Awards category. Congratulations to SAP Fioneer. Here we have its partner, Head of Banking Sales, International Markets, Jamie King.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody who's joining from all across the globe. It's morning for me here in the UK, and it's truly an honour to be part of this forum alongside such recognised names from across our industry. A huge thank you from all of my friends and colleagues across SAP Fioneer to the Digital Banker for facilitating such an event, and obviously for the recognition alongside being awarded these two awards. For decades, banks have made the decision to rely on SAP for their modern core critical banking systems and their surrounding processes and transactions. And in fact, as of today, over 77% of the world's processes touch an SAP system from across all industries. SAP Fioneer was created in 2021 to take over the responsibility from SAP to drive the next chapter of this exciting story. We were created to serve banks from all segments, from retail, SME, CIB, and the central banking segment, to unlock the power of SAP technology to deliver new capabilities to meet the ever-evolving needs of their clients, but also to help them plot their own path as they migrate from legacy, complex mainframe systems to modern, simplified core architectures. I think these awards are a testament to the strength of our teams at Fioneer, who have brought that mantra to life and delivered against that mission for our customers in the corporate banking sector, but also in other sectors as well across the banking industry. So thank you again to all of my colleagues from across SAP Fioneer who have made this possible. Thank you to all our partners across the ecosystem. And perhaps most importantly, thank you to all of our customers who trust us to power their businesses every day.
Thank you very much, Jamie, and congratulations once again to SAP Fioneer. Next, we have 3 awards being given out to one recipient. The first is for Best Technology Solutions Provider in Transaction Banking, and the second award is for Best Real-Time Payments Innovation in Transaction Banking for Malaysia, and this falls under the Digital Innovation Awards. We also have the Best Bank for Transaction Banking Services Malaysia, and this one falls under the category of Country Awards. Congratulations for these 3 awards. AmBank Group, we have Jagjit Kaur Ranjit Singh, Executive Vice President, Head of Transaction Banking, AmBank Group.
It is truly a privilege to be here and an honor to accept this recognition on behalf of AmBank. Today marks a significant milestone for us. At the Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards 2026, AmBank achieved its strongest recognition to date, securing 5 awards across multiple categories. While we are proud of this achievement, what stands out even more is the journey behind it. Every recognition represents not just an outcome, but a process of continuous improvement, collaboration, and a shared commitment of doing better for our clients. This milestone reflects our collective effort to reimagine the transaction banking experience, to make it simpler, faster, and more meaningful in the way businesses operate every day. This would have not been possible without the dedication of our teams in transaction banking and across the bank, who continue to innovate and push boundaries with both courage and purpose. The achievement is also made possible by the trust our clients and partners place in us, which continues to shape how we deliver meaningful outcomes. Thank you.
Thank you very much and congratulations. And finally, under the Service Provider Excellence Awards category, we have the award for Best Transaction Banking Platform by a Vendor. Congratulations to Orion Pro Solutions. Here is Sachin Salyan, CMO of Orion Pro Solutions.
Yeah. Good evening. On behalf of everyone at Orion Pro, I am deeply honored to accept this Innovation Award for Transaction Banking. This recognition is a testament to technology innovation, but also to the spirit of our people, the product engineers, the designers, the client success teams, and our partners who are determined to solve real problems for banks and corporates. At Orion Pro, we build this product with one clear North Star: never fail a customer. That principle has guided every architectural decision, every integration, every line of code. The result is a platform that delivers a superior product, that shortens the cash cycle, that empowers treasury teams with AI-native intelligence, and a UX that turns the complexity of transaction banking interactions into clarity, all with minimal disruptions to the bank operations. So this award also belongs to our customers who've trusted us and who've pushed us to raise the bar from across Asia, South Asia, Middle East, and Europe. Thank you to them. We will continue to lead the next, to deliver without compromise, and to turn these bold ideas into solutions for our corporate banks and their customers. Last but not the least, thank you to the Digital Banker for this honor and for spotlighting Orion Pro's innovation in transaction banking. Thank you.
Well, congratulations to your customers and to you, Orion Pro, and thank you very much, Sachin. All right, moving on to the Technology Awards, which is our next category. There are 9 awards in this category. First up, we start with 3 awards going out to our first recipient under this category, and the first is for Best AI Initiative Taiwan. Next is for Outstanding Use of Technology in FX. And the third award is for Outstanding Account Opening and Onboard Initiative Taiwan. And this one falls under the category of Transaction Banking Services. Congratulations to Bank Sinopac. We have its Associate Executive Vice President Yuping Chang here with us this evening.
Hello, everyone. On behalf of Bank Sinopac, I'm truly honored to establish 3 awards. We thank the digital team for the recognition sincerely. We will continue to innovate and deliver smarter, safer, and more customer-centric financial service. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and congratulations to Bank Sinopac. Next, we have 2 awards going out to our next recipient. It's for Best API Initiative Malaysia, and the next award is for Outstanding Supply Chain Finance Solution, also Malaysia, and this falls under the Transaction Banking Service Awards. Congratulations to AmBank Group. Its Managing Director of Wholesale Banking, AmBank Group, is here, Datuk Jamzidi Khalid.
On behalf of AmBank Group, it is a great honor to receive this recognition at the Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards. Today, transaction banking has been evolving into a more connected, intelligent, and seamlessly integrated ecosystem. This transformation presents tremendous opportunities to create greater value for businesses, helping them operate with enhanced speed, visibility, and confidence. At AmBank Group, our focus remains clear. We are committed to making banking simpler, more intuitive, and more deeply embedded within our clients' day-to-day activities. Through innovation and collaboration, we strive to deliver solutions that enable businesses to navigate an increasingly dynamic environment with greater ease and certainty. This recognition belongs to many teams across our organization who have contributed to this journey, from our transaction banking team to our colleagues across the group. We are equally grateful to our clients and partners for their trust and support, which continue to inspire us to keep raising the bar and deliver greater value. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Datuk Jamzidi, and congratulations, AmBank Group. Moving on to the next 2 awards. The first is for Best Blockchain Initiative, and the second falls under the Digital Innovation Awards category, and this is for excellence in blockchain-enabled payments and settlements. Congratulations to HSBC.
Thank you very much to the Digital Banker for awarding HSBC Orion these 2 awards, including for the Best Blockchain-Based Initiative. For us at HSBC, digital assets and currencies is an ever more important subject because it's important to our clients. We look forward to announcing more developments soon, and we thank the Digital Banker for these awards. Thank you very much, everybody.
That brings us to our penultimate award for the Technology Awards, and this one goes to Best API Initiative Thailand. Congratulations, Bank of Ayudhya Krung Sri. Here is Wirapong Bunsa, Head of IT Transformation Division. If you'd like to say a few words, we welcome them.
Right, thank you very much. We are honored to receive this award from the Digital Banker. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Khop Khun Ka, and congratulations to Bank of Ayudhya. Moving on to the final award under the technology category, and this is for Best Gen AI Initiative. Congratulations to Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, or CIBC. Here is its VP, Enterprise AI Platforms and Solutions, Chris Patterson.
Thank you so much. It's a tremendous honor to accept the award for Best Gen AI Initiative on behalf of CIBC, and to do so for the 3rd consecutive year. Last year, we were recognized for our enterprise launch. This year, we stand here with a platform that scaled to over 50,000 employees globally and more than 20,000 using our product every single day. CIBC AI has evolved well beyond chat. It's now a comprehensive AI platform offering personal agents, a governed agent marketplace, smart solutions for knowledge retrieval, and a meeting note-taker solution. But what I'm most proud of is not the technology, it's our culture. We built an AI champion network of over 1,000 of our most advanced users who teach and mentor others across the bank. No mandate, just momentum. That's how we scale. I want to thank my incredibly talented team, our technology partners, and our leadership for their unwavering support and vision. And finally, my sincere thanks to the Digital Banker for this recognition 3 years running. It inspires us to keep solving real business problems and to keep building a culture where our people reimagine work and teach others to do the same. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to CIBC. Welcome back, everyone. And to those of you who've just joined our live stream during the ceremony, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us. What we've seen so far is an extraordinary snapshot of the global transaction banking community. Across every region, we've heard from institutions raising the standard for treasury innovation, trade finance, liquidity management, payments, and digital client experience. The caliber in this room tonight speaks volumes about the pace at which this industry continues continues to evolve. I'd also like to thank each of our winners who've shared the thinking behind their initiatives. Those perspectives are valuable learning, not just for the industry, but for the thousands of professionals worldwide who follow the Digital Banker's research and benchmarking throughout the year. Now let's continue recognizing more of the outstanding institutions shaping the future of global transaction banking. And now we move on to the Transaction Banking Service Awards, and the first award under this category goes to Best ERP Integration Initiative for the USA. Congratulations, TD. Here is its Managing Director and Head of Digital and Channels Transaction Banking Product, TD Securities, Laura Gasparini.
Thank you. It's an honor to accept this award on behalf of the many teams across TD who brought this initiative to life. At its core, embedded banking is about meeting clients where they are. Rather than asking businesses to change how they work, we're bringing banking directly into the ERP platforms they use every day. We are committed to taking on the complexity behind the scenes so our clients get a simpler, faster, and more intuitive experience. This is a meaningful example of how TD is modernizing transaction banking. We are investing in removing friction, automating manual processes, and giving clients greater visibility and control within the systems they already rely on. What makes this recognition especially meaningful is that it reflects real client impact. I'd like to thank our clients for their trust, partnership, and willingness to innovate alongside us. Thank you to the Digital Banker for this recognition.
Congratulations and thank you very much. Next, we have the awards for Best Virtual Account Initiative Canada and Outstanding Account Opening and Onboarding Initiative Canada. Congratulations to the Royal Bank of Canada. We have its Vice President, Business Deposits and Liquidity Management, Christina van der Relman.
On behalf of our entire team at Royal Bank of Canada, I would like to thank the Digital Banker and the judges of the Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards. The two initiatives being celebrated today, Best Virtual Account Initiative and Outstanding Account Opening and Onboarding Initiative, were both developed to welcome clients from our acquisition of HSBC Canada. RBC Virtual Account Management, or VAM, enables clients to hold multiple virtual accounts under a single physical bank account and open, close, and manage accounts online at their convenience. Ours is the only virtual account solution offered by a Canadian bank. We also created entirely new account opening and onboarding approaches to help meet the acquisition's aggressive client migration deadlines. This was a multifaceted program. Clients' existing accounts and credit cards were mirrored at RBC, and their payments were automatically rerouted to the new accounts. A dedicated online platform simplified onboarding, and the new clients were authenticated from our platforms using their former bank's digital credentials. These innovations made onboarding simpler and faster and helped us meet our client experience and retention goals for the acquisition. Thanks again to the Digital Banker for recognizing RBC's transaction banking innovations and efforts to improve the client experience.
Congratulations, RBC, and thank you very much, Christina. Moving on to Outstanding Cross-Border Payment Solution for Corporates. Congratulations, RBC Clear by RBC Capital Markets. We have its MD, Head RBC Clear, Kartik Kaushik.
Thank you for this tremendous honor. We are thrilled to accept this award for RBC Clear FX on behalf of the 30+ teams across RBC who made this possible. Cross-border payments, as you're aware, are riddled with complexity, friction, and opacity. Our multinational clients told us that they were trapped in manual process, batch-driven workflows, and constant uncertainty about rates and their payment status. They wanted simple, transparent, traceable, frictionless, and real-time flows. That insight drove everything that we built. RBC Clear FX flips the script. From a single US dollar account, clients can now send payments in 35 currencies and receive in 25. This with real-time visibility, automated compliance rules, and FX pricing optimized across their flows. We didn't just add a feature, we built an entirely new payment engine designed for the enterprise scale and designed for reuse across RBC. As a result, clients operate globally with transparency and control that they've never had. This award reflects not just a product launch, but RBC's commitment to modernizing treasury operations for an increasingly complex world. Thank you.
Congratulations, RBC Clear. And now we move on to Outstanding Supply Chain Finance Solution, Turkey. Congratulations to Akbank. Here is its Head of Trade Finance and Cash Product Management, Mehtap Yilmaz.
Hi, everyone. I'm honored to receive this award on behalf of Akbank for our innovative product, Secure Payment. At Akbank, we believe transaction banking is about providing trust and making trade simpler for our clients. With this vision, Secure Payment was designed to integrate money transfers, payment guarantees, and trade finance with a seamless digital experience. I would like to thank the entire team at Akbank who designed, developed, and delivered the product to our clients. This success is the result of their dedication and teamwork. I also would like to thank the digital banking for this recognition. It motivates us to keep innovating and build the future of digital supply chain financing. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations. Next, we move on to the Best ERP Integration Initiative for Canada Award, and we'd like to say congratulations to Scotiabank.
On behalf of Scotiabank, I would like to thank the Digital Banker for this award and for naming our ERP connectivity service the Best ERP Integration Initiative. Available in Canada, the service helps corporate and commercial banking clients connect their ERP and treasury systems to Scotiabank's transaction banking capabilities. It supports API, secure file integration, and partner-enabled connectivity. The service acts as a translation layer between client systems and Scotia-ready formats. By connecting directly with clients' core business systems through pre-built connectors and standardized pathways, it simplifies a complex integration process. It also creates a faster, more efficient path to connectivity with less effort and lower cost. We are honored by this recognition. It reflects our commitment to making transaction banking simpler, easier to grow, and easier to use. Strong connectivity improves efficiency and creates better client experience overall. This achievement belongs to the team whose expertise, collaboration, and dedication brought this solution to life. Their focus on practical, client-centric innovation makes initiatives like this possible. Thank you for this meaningful award.
And finally, that brings us to the last award under this category of Transaction Banking Service. And this award is for Best Virtual Account Initiative Thailand. Congratulations to Krung Thai Bank. Here is Varanich Ujin, its Head of Global Transaction Banking Group.
Thank you to the Digital Banker for this recognition. We're delighted to receive the Best Virtual Account Initiative Thailand Award. This recognition is especially meaningful because Krung Thai Bank was the first local bank to introduce a virtual account solution for businesses in Thailand. We developed this solution based on a deep understanding of the challenges businesses face. It helps simplify collections, improve cash visibility, and manage treasury operations more efficiently. We are grateful for the trust of our customers and the dedication of our teams. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations. And now it brings us to the Country Awards category, and there are 10 awards in this category. The first 3 going to one recipient. The first is for Best Bank for Cash Management Malaysia. The second award is for Best Bank for Trade Finance Malaysia, and the third award falls under the Transaction Bank Service Awards category, and this is for Outstanding Structured Trade Finance Solution, also for Malaysia. Congratulations to RHB Bank Berhad, and we're so honored to have 2 representatives from RHB. First up, we'll hear from its Head of TB Product, Satyavani Muniandi.
Thank you very much, and a very good evening to all. On behalf of RHB Bank, we are truly honored to accept this award from Digital Banker. Thank you. This recognition reflects RHB's commitment to innovation, customer centricity, and our journey to continuously transform the way we serve our customers and our communities. It is also a testament to the dedication of our people in RHB, the trust of our customers, and the engagement from our partnerships, as well as the support from our leadership. We sincerely thank the digital banker for this recognition. At RHB, we remain committed to creating meaningful progress and delivering innovation, sustainable banking solutions that makes positive impact. Thank you and have a good evening.
Thank you very much, Ms. Satyavani. Mr. Devraj, would you like to say any words? If not, you can just give us a smile and wave.
Sure. Thank you so much for the digital banker. It is indeed a well-deserved recognition for the bank and for us to continue to pursue customer centricity and innovation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Devraj. And of course, he is Head Group Transaction Banking, and congratulations to RHB Bank. Moving on to the next award, which is for Best Bank for Cash Management, Pakistan. Congratulations to the Bank of Punjab. Here is Head Transaction Banking, DBG, Sharjeel Raza Khan.
Thank you so much to the panel of the Digital Banker. Please excuse my gravelly voice today. I'm fighting off high fever. There was absolutely no way I was missing this moment. Winning the Best Cash Management Award for Pakistan is an incredible milestone for the Bank of Punjab. The award validates our efforts to revolutionize corporate liquidity, but more importantly, it honors our role as a primary engine driving the government's vision for a cashless, fully digitized ecosystem. The victory belongs not only to our brilliant transaction banking team, but also our internal operations and IT teams. Thank you to our public and private sector partners who trust us to power the country's financial future. And thank you once again to the judges of the Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards for bestowing us this honor. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, Mr. Khan, for being here. Despite how you're feeling, we wish you a speedy recovery. Moving on to the next two awards, going to one recipient. The first is for Best Bank for Cash Management, Thailand, and the second is for Best Bank for Payments and Collections, Thailand. Congratulations to TMB Thanachart Bank. Here is Kanok Poran Juta, Chief Commercial Product Group.
Thank you, the Digital Banker, for this recognition. At TTB, we believe transaction banking should be more than just a banking service. We have built transactional solution that is embedded into the way business operate and grow, and make it more accessible to businesses of all sizes across Thailand. Receiving these two awards is a proud moment for us. We shall remain committed to pushing the boundary and shaping the future of transaction banking in Thailand. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations. Moving on, we have the next recipient who's going to be receiving 3 awards. The first award is for Best Bank for Trade Finance, United Arab Emirates, under the Country Awards category. And the second award, it falls under the Digital Innovation category for Best Trade Finance Platform Initiative, United Arab Emirates. And the third award falls under the Technology category, and this one's for Outstanding Use of Technology in Trade Finance for the UAE as well. Congratulations to RAK Bank, and here is Ehsan Ahmed, EVP and Head of Transaction Banking.
Thank you very much, Digital Banker, for this award and this honor. This means a lot for us. Trade finance is a key pillar in our strategy of growing the transaction banking business. And these awards are a strong validation of how we are faring in our journey of adding value to our customers on the wholesale side and the business banking side through investment in platforms and strategic partnerships to deliver value-added solutions. Thank you very much, and big thanks to the team that has been involved in delivering these solutions, from the product, coverage, implementation, and customer fulfillment. Thank you.
Congratulations, RAK Bank. Next, we have Best Bank for Transaction Banking Services for Thailand, and this is the final award under the country category. Congratulations to Krung Thai Bank. Here once again is Head of Global Transaction Banking Group, Varanich Ujin.
Thank you to the Digital Banker for this recognition. We truly honored to receive the Best Bank for Transaction Banking Services Thailand Award for the second consecutive year. This award reaffirms Krung Thai Bank's commitment to help businesses grow and succeed. We remain focused on understanding our customer, evolving needs, and delivering end-to-end transaction banking solution from payment and collection to liquidity management and cross-border services, all seamlessly integrated through our digital platforms. By simplifying financial operation, we help our customer become more efficient, more agile, and better prepared for future growth. This achievement would not have been possible without the trust of our customer and the dedication, passion, hard work of our teams. To all of you, thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again to Krung Thai. This brings us to our next category, which is the category for the regional awards. Just 2 awards in this category, and the first one goes to Best Bank for Supply Chain Finance Asia Pacific. Congratulations, Bank of America. This evening we have its Head of Trade and Supply Chain Finance Asia Pacific Global Payment Solutions, George Fong.
Thank you so much, Digital Banker, for the wonderful award and the recognition in the industry. We strive from Bank of America perspective to continue to do this, to earn this recognition for the next year. Thank you so much for the award.
Thank you. Congratulations. Our next regional award goes to, Best Bank for Transaction Banking Services, Asia Pacific. And this one goes to Bank of America once again. Here we have Asia Pacific Product Head Global Payments Solution, Philip Carmel. Now, I know it says you don't want to say anything, but it looks like you might want to.
Hello, everyone. Thank you to the Digital Banker and judging panel for this recognition. We are truly honored that Bank of America has been named Best Bank for Transaction Banking Services in Asia Pacific. This award reflects our commitment to helping clients navigate an increasingly complex world through a combination of global scale, local expertise, and continuous innovation. Across APAC, our clients are managing real-time payments, liquidity and FX challenges, supply chain transformation, and growing regulatory complexity. Our role is to make that simpler. Through CashPro and our integrated transaction banking platform, we help companies operate with greater speed, visibility, and confidence. This recognition belongs to our clients, who challenge us to innovate every day, and to our teams across APAC and around the world, whose dedication and partnership make these solutions possible. On behalf of Bank of America, thank you for this honor. We are excited to continue supporting our clients' growth and shaping the future of transaction banking. Thank you.
Thank you, Philip, and congratulations once again to Bank of America. Now we move on to the Global Awards, and there are 10 awards in this category, and I believe this is our final category. The first 3 awards going out to one recipient. The first is for Best Bank for Cash Management. Now this falls under the Global Awards category. The next award falls under the Transaction Banking Service Awards category, and this one is for Outstanding Account Opening and Onboarding Initiative overall. And the final award is under the Technology Awards category, and this one is for Best API Initiative for India. Congratulations to HSBC, and here is its Global Head of Client Connectivity, Global Payment Solutions, HSBC, Amber Henderson Smart.
Thank you so much to the Digital Banker and the judges for awarding us across 3 categories. I'm so happy to accept these awards on behalf of so many teams at HSBC that have worked really hard to make this possible. Our goal at HSBC is really simple. We're leveraging technology to deliver innovative global payment solutions for our clients, but also in a way that makes it really easy for them to connect, onboard, and start transacting quickly and securely. In India, the HSBC Connected Banking proposition helps our clients activate APIs now in minutes, while the Smart Transact proposition streamlines digital onboarding across account opening channels and our clients' products, both for small and large transaction banking clients. So thank you again for all the colleagues across HSBC that have worked so hard to make this work for our clients and build greater trust and partnership. We'll continue to make connectivity and onboarding simpler, faster, and easier to scale. Thank you so much, the Digital Banker.
Thank you, Amber, and congratulations to HSBC. Moving on to our next set of awards, and there are 7 awards that one recipient will be receiving tonight. The first is for Best Bank for Foreign Exchange. The second is for Best Bank for Supply Chain Finance. The third for Best Bank for Trade Finance. Now, those first three awards fall under the Global Awards. The next two awards actually fall under the Digital Innovation Awards category, and they are for Best Digital Asset Innovation and Best Digital Liquidity Management Initiative overall. The next two awards are for technology category, and the first is for Outstanding Use of Technology in Payments and Collection, and finally, Outstanding Use of Technology in Supply Chain Finance. Having said all that, congratulations to Citi. We have its Global Head of AI, Digital and Data Platforms, Citi Services, Naveed Anwar.
Hi, everyone. It is a privilege to accept these awards on behalf of Citi Services, global businesses, and teams. We are honored to be recognized by Digital Banker for our commitment to innovation and excellence in transaction banking. We're proud to be recognized for our leadership in trade finance, digital asset innovation, digital liquidity management, payments, and supply chain finance, all areas where we are helping clients excel in an increasingly digital world. I would also like to highlight the power of One Citi, particularly the partnership between our investor services and markets businesses, which has helped earn recognition as the best bank for foreign exchange. Most importantly, none of this would be possible without our clients. So thank you for your trust and willingness to innovate alongside us. Thank you to Digital Banker, our colleagues around the world, for enabling Citi to continue shaping the future of transaction banking.
Thank you, Naveed, and congratulations to Citi. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our final category, and this is the People Awards. First up, we have the first award, Transaction Banking Leader of the Year, Asia Pacific, Winnie Chen. And the next award is under the Regional Awards category, and this is for Best Bank for Multi-Currency Clearing Asia Pacific. We'd like to say congratulations to Bank of America. We actually have the Transaction Banking Leader of the Year for Asia Pacific, Winnie Chen, here to say a few words.
Hello, everyone. I'm Winnie Chen, Head of Global Payment Solution for Bank of America, Asia Pacific. A big thank you to the Digital Banker for recognizing me as the Transaction Banking Leader of the Year in Asia Pacific, and also naming Bank of America as the best bank for multi-currency clearing in Asia Pacific. This recognition are the testament of our dedication, passion, and expertise of the teams across the region, and unwavering support from leadership to continue investing in Asia Pacific. On behalf of everyone at Bank of America, thank you for the recognition, and also thank you to our clients for their continued support and partnership.
Congratulations, Winnie, and congratulations, Bank of America. Next, we have two awards. The first award that we're going to be giving out is under the Technology Category Awards, and this is for Outstanding Use of Technology in Cash and Liquidity Management by a Vendor. The next award falls under the People Awards category, and this is for Treasury Services Leader of the Year. And this one goes to Melissa Di Donato. Now, unfortunately, Melissa was unable to be here with us tonight, but the Chief Marketing Officer of Kyriba, April Mo, is here to say a few words. April?
Hi there. I'm so pleased to accept this award on behalf of Melissa, our chair and CEO. And she's so sorry that she's not able to be here today. But Melissa did ask me to pass on her huge thanks. Melissa is honored to be recognized as a leader in the treasury services industry. And this award recognizes leaders who combine people-centric leadership with strategic execution. And that is exactly how I would describe Melissa. Melissa is a real role model. From day one in the job, she has made leadership of people her highest priority. And she's also helped define liquidity performance, focusing on real-time financials, showing customers what's possible, and how they can unlock actionable insights to drive success. And last but not least, Melissa has always been clear that an award like this reflects the team around her. So on Melissa's behalf and on behalf of everyone at Kyriba, thank you.
Congratulations, Kariba. Thank you, April, and congratulations to Melissa. Next, we move on to the award for Transaction Banking Leader of the Year, and this goes to Lisa Januzzi of TD. She is its Managing Director and Global Head of Financial Institutions Global Transaction Banking, TD Securities. Here is Lisa.
First, thank you to the Digital Banker for this recognition. While this award carries my name, it reflects the dedication of colleagues across our financial institutions business and across TD. I've been fortunate to spend my career at TD working alongside incredibly talented colleagues. And one of the greatest privileges has been helping grow our financial institutions business from a specialized segment into a truly global franchise. I would say what makes me the most proud is the partnerships that we have built across teams, geographies, and with clients who continue to place their trust in us daily. I would truly say, and I truly believe, that by bringing together the right people with the right skills and the right technology, we can make our own ambition real, which is to deliver a simpler, faster, and seamless experience for our clients. This award belongs to the many colleagues, clients, mentors, and partners who have been a part of this journey. I am truly excited about the momentum that we are bringing together and building together and what we will continue to achieve. Thank you again.
Congratulations, Liza. And that brings us to our final awards. And this, we're going to be giving out the final People Award, but we'd like to also give out two other awards. The first award is for technology under the technology category, and this is for Best Automation Initiative Malaysia. And the next is under the Country Awards category, Best Bank for Payments and Collections Malaysia. But for the People Awards category, we are giving out the Transaction Banking Leader of the Year for Malaysia, and we'd like to say congratulations to Alina Grace Tan of Hong Leong Bank. She is its Head of Cash Management, Business and Corporate Banking. Alina?
Hello, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon to everyone across the globe. Thank you very much, firstly, to the Digital Banker for these recognitions. One recognition is great, but three. On behalf of Hong Leong Bank and to our brand value built around you, we at Hong Leong Bank continues to improve, to automate, bringing ease to all our corporate clients, regardless of size, from SME all the way to MNC levels, in order for them to run their business more effectively and efficiently. In regards to the TB Leadership Award of the Year for Malaysia, this award is dedicated to my entire cash management team. Their dedication daily to put us in its mark, they deserve this award. So this is dedicated to them. They make me look like the rock star. And of course, not forgetting my bosses. I'd like to thank them for their never-ending support throughout my career in Hong Leong Bank, giving me the space to grow the cash management, the digital business, the way that it should be run. So thank you, everyone, and have a good evening.
Well, congratulations, Alina, and congratulations, Hong Leong Bank. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards 2026. Congratulations once again to every winner, highly commended institution, and finalist that was recognized this evening. Your achievements reflect the continued evolution of an industry that sits at the very heart of global commerce and economic growth. And in the months ahead, we will be publishing a comprehensive series of data-led insights, benchmarking reports, and proprietary intelligence assets drawn from this year's assessment. These resources are designed to help transaction banking professionals, trade finance specialists, corporate treasurers, and industry leaders better understand the innovations, investment priorities, and emerging trends shaping the future of global transaction banking. And on behalf of everyone at the Digital Banker, thank you to our participating institutions, distinguished judges, partners, and guests for making this year's program such a success. My name is Angelique Teo once again, and thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful evening, morning, or afternoon, and we look forward to welcoming you again next year.